Let's talk about generative AI in marketing. Now, forget all the talk about AI replacing people. That's not the story. The real story is thinking of AI as your new strategic co-pilot sitting right there with you, helping you build campaigns that are way smarter, faster, and just better. So, let's jump in and see how it works.
And just so you know, everything we're about to cover today comes straight from Chapter 6 of a fantastic tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC.
All right, here's our flight plan. We're going to walk through the entire journey of a marketing campaign. We'll start with the blueprint, see how AI helps with planning. Then we'll dive deep into the audience, get personal with our messaging, evolve how we test everything, coordinate all the different channels, and finally, figure out how to measure what really matters.
First up, the blueprint. This is ground zero. It's the planning phase. And honestly, it's where AI immediately starts to change the game right from the get-go.
So, this probably looks familiar. It's a pretty standard campaign lifecycle. But what's really cool is seeing where AI plugs in. It's an absolute beast during discovery and research, crunching data like nothing else. It's a creative brainstorm partner for concepting. But look closely. The human element, your strategy and your judgment, that's still front and center. That's the co-pilot relationship in a nutshell.
Okay, with our plan in hand, let's talk about the audience. Knowing who you're talking to is everything, right? That's segmentation. And as you're about to see, AI is completely rewriting the rules.
For years, we were stuck with these really broad, kind of clunky groups, based on simple stuff like age and where someone lives. It was like using a sledgehammer. But AI, it lets us switch to a scalpel. We're talking dynamic, predictive microsegments. We're moving from just asking, who are they, to actually predicting, what will they do next? It is a total game changer for making your message relevant.
But, and this is a big but, all this power needs a smart pilot. AI can spit out thousands of segments, but you have to be the one to ask the tough questions. Can we actually manage all of these? Are we building them based on what matters to the business or just because the data is there? And super important, are we accidentally creating biases? Human oversight here isn't just nice to have, it's absolutely critical.
So once you have those super smart segments, the real fun begins. You can actually start having personalized conversations. We're talking about making it feel like a one-on-one chat, but with literally millions of people at the same time.
And this brings us to the biggest challenge in modern marketing, doesn't it? There's such a fine line between personalization that feels genuinely helpful and personalization that just feels creepy. We've all been on the receiving end of both, for sure.
So how do you stay on the right side of that line? It all comes down to value. Are you using data to actually help someone, to solve their problem? Or are you just showing off that you have their data? Be open about it, give your customers control, and stay away from sensitive info. That's how you build trust.
Okay, so you've planned the campaign, you've segmented your audience, you've personalized the message. But how do you know what's actually working? This is where testing comes in. And yep, AI has basically put our ability to experiment on steroids. If you really want to know what's working, your tests have to be legit. It all starts here, with a 95% confidence level. This is just the standard to make sure your results are real, and not just some random fluke. It's the bedrock of a good test.
But confidence alone isn't the whole story. You also need power. Aiming for 80% statistical power means your test is actually sharp enough to spot a real difference if there is one. Without this, a winning idea could be staring you right in the face and you'd completely miss it.
And finally, the secret ingredient, patience. You've got to let a reliable test run for at least 2 to 4 weeks. Why? Because customer behavior on a Tuesday morning is totally different than on a Saturday night. Trying to rush this is probably one of the biggest mistakes you can make.
A modern campaign isn't just one instrument playing a solo. It's a full orchestra. You've got email, social, search, all playing at once. Getting them all to work together is a huge challenge. And this is where AI steps in, not as another musician, but as the conductor.
Look at this. Each channel has its own specific job to do, right? Email gives you that direct line. Paid search is all about capturing someone who's ready to buy. The real magic happens when AI acts as that conductor, making sure every channel is playing its part in perfect harmony, creating one beautiful, seamless experience for the customer.
And that brings us to the moment of truth, the scorecard. How do we actually know if we've succeeded? AI helps us look past the simple, shiny vanity metrics and prove that we're making a real impact on the business.
Think of your metrics like a pyramid. Way down at the bottom, you've got the easy stuff.
Exposure metrics, like how many people saw your ad. They're nice, but they don't tell you much. The whole point is to climb that pyramid. AI is what helps us connect the dots from our campaigns all the way to the top, to revenue, and the holy grail, customer lifetime value. That's the number that really shows long-term success.
So after going through this whole journey, if there's one thing you take away from all this, let it be this. AI is an absolutely incredible co-pilot. It'll boost your skills, speed up your work, find things you never would have seen. But you, your strategy, your creativity, your gut feeling, you are still the pilot, with your hands firmly on the controls.
So that leaves us with one final thought to chew on. When you have a co-pilot this powerful that can do everything we just talked about, you really have to wonder, is your next massive breakthrough campaign just one smart prompt away?